All right, this is how to set up a Christmas tree with Lily from Costco. Only cost 25 bucks. Okay, so this is a skirt that we're going to put on the bottom of the tree. And I'm just going to set it over here on the couch. And then that'll be the last thing that we put on there. We've got to put these little stands on the bottom of the tree. And so we got to find the bottom of the tree. There's the top of the tree, so that's not where they go. And there it is. And if you look at the bottom, you'll see there's little slats that they got to slide into. You got to do it from the top, not the bottom. So you got to come on top, slide it down because the pressure is going to go on top of them. And you got to make sure they're at the right angle. And you can tell by the footprint on them. Just slide it right on there. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to set it right down on the ground. And we're going to put the top on. So to expose the connecting area, you got to pull all of these little arms down because they kind of fold up when you put it back in the box. And there it is, right there's where we're going to put it. So I'm going to set it right there, and then we're going to slide the top right in that little hole there. Shouldn't be too hard. So I'm just going to try to fan out some of these little branches, the ones that are germunched together. And then we're going to grab the top of it. The top's all still pushed back together. We're going to have to open that up too. And then all we got to do is get that right in that little hole there. As you can see, it's not cooperating. Yeah, it goes in a certain way, you'll see. All right, I'm going to just slide it right in there. Bam, done. All right, now we got our tree all put together. And all we got to do is pull these branches down. So we got to kind of fan them out nice and carefully because there's lights connected to it. And you don't want to break the connector to the light. And so you're going to go around it slowly and methodically pulling it out. And you also got to find all the little cords because we got to hook those together too. So as you're doing that, you want to look for those. And, because it's been a year since you looked at this thing, right? So we got to figure that all out. All right, so you can see there's the two little cords right there. And I'm going to pull these all out and open them up a little bit so that they look better. And it looks more like an actual real tree. It takes a little bit of doing. You got to have a little bit of patience and just kind of pull them apart and spread them out evenly and make it look like a regular tree. That's all you got to do. Just go all the way around and do that. And that's the way you set this tree up. And that is your 20-minute tree. Bam, done. Add a couple of extra little things on it, like this little ball. I got a bunch of them here. We're going to put those on. Slide them on like that. And we've got a couple more. And these are basically ocean themed, as you can see. And because this is a small tree, you really don't need to put a lot on there. All these, again, are, like Florida type bulbs. And, they're pretty cool looking. I got them, I think, a lot of them at TJ Maxx, but they work pretty good. And they look good on the tree. And there we go. Bam, done.